Welcome and thank you for volunteering for the Accessible Digital Library Initiative for the Blind and Print Disabled. In this video, we will review Accessitel Portal. What is Accessitel Portal? It is a platform to convert print books into accessible digital format. Using Accessitel Portal, we will convert the image PDF of the book into fully structured accessible Word document. At a high level, the project consists of 5 steps. Step 1. Proofread the Word format of the book. Step 2. Validate the output from Step 1. Step 3. Compile or merge the individual files in master file. Step 4. Convert the master file into EPUB format. Step 5. Upload the EPUB file into Digital Library. Steps 1 through 3 are performed in Accessitel Portal, which will be addressed in this video. Access to Accessitel Portal. Each volunteer is assigned individual login credentials. Do not forget to change the initial temporary password provided upon the first login. There are 3 different roles that any volunteer can be assigned. 1. Proofreader. 2. Validator. 3. Compiler. Upon logging into the Accessitel Portal, based on the roles assigned, the user will see different dashboard links in the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. For example, if the user is assigned the role of Only Proofreader, the user will see Only Proofreader dashboard in the navigation pane. If the user is assigned the roles of Proofreader and Validator, the user will see one dashboard for each of the roles in the navigation pane. Project workflow detail. Once the project is created by the project admin, the proofreader can view their assigned portion of the project in Proofreader Dashboard. The Proofreader Dashboard contains details of all the files assigned to the user: the name of the project, the PDF version of the assigned book, the Word version of the assigned book, the project admin name, current status of the task, the number of pages assigned in the book for proofreading, and the actions to be taken. The initial status would be displayed as OCR completed, indicating that the project admin has assigned a book to proofreaders and validators, and it is ready for proofreaders to start their work. The goal of the proofreader is to proofread the Word document against the PDF document and make sure that the Word document matches exactly or as closely as possible to the PDF document. For easy navigation and comparison of the Word document against the PDF document, it is recommended to split the screen and have the PDF and Word documents on either side of the screen. The easiest way to accomplish this is select the PDF file and press Windows and left arrow buttons. This will fit the PDF file to the left half of the screen. Now, select the Word file and it will automatically be fit into the right half of the screen. If it does not, select the Word file and press Windows and right arrow button. Now it is easy for a proofreader to compare the Word doc against the PDF doc. Proofreading. What is involved? The formatting of the text in the Word document will be different than that in the PDF document. For example, a single line in the PDF could be split into one or more lines in the Word document. The proofreader has to make sure that the sentences and paragraphs are aligned correctly in the Word document and should match that in the PDF document. The proofreader has to make sure that there are no spelling or grammatical mistakes and take care of any missing words in the Word document. If there are tables in the PDF doc, the Word document will display only the table data as a paragraph without the table structure. So the proofreader has to create the table in the Word document and insert the data to match the table in the PDF document. Similarly, any images in PDF document will be missing in the Word document. The proofreader has to copy these images and place it accordingly in the Word document. The page numbers should be aligned to the right of each page in the Word document and should be set to heading number 6 format. A separate document will be provided with the list of formatting checkpoints that should be addressed by the proofreaders. Once the proofreading is done, the user clicks the Done button and the document is moved from Proofreader's dashboard to the assigned Validator's dashboard. If the user finds any issues with the assigned documents, like any missing pages or the quality of the scanned pages is not good for proofreading, then the user clicks the Reject button along with the reason for rejection. The rejected file is sent back to the project admin for review. The project admin reviews the comments in the rejected document and will work to get it corrected and reassign the task to the proofreader. After a proofreader submits the document, it will be assigned and moved to the validator's dashboard. Note: if no changes were made to the Word document, the user cannot submit the document to the validator. Validation. What is involved? Validation is a second round of proofreading. The goal of the validator is to review and make sure that the Word document submitted by the proofreader matches exactly or as closely as possible to the PDF document. The validator can split the screen into 2 sections, just like shown earlier, for easy navigation and comparison. If there are minor corrections that the proofreader has missed, the validator will take care of them in the Word document. If the validator notices that most of the required changes have been missed by the proofreader, the validator will reject the document along with the explanation in the comments. The rejected document would come to the project lead, who will review the rejected document along with the comments and will follow up with the proofreader to take care of it. Hence, it is important that the proofreader addresses all the issues in the Word document before submitting it to the validator. Once the validator validates the Word document and finds no issues, the validator clicks the Done button and the file will move from Validator's dashboard to the Compile's dashboard. Compiler. There is no proofreading done by the compiler, as 2 levels of proofreading have already been completed. The goal of the compiler is to make sure that the formatting done by the proofreader and validator is not broken and to make any corrections if required. Once the compiler receives all the files from all the validators of the project, the compiler will click the Merge button, which will consolidate all the Word files of the project into one master Word document. The master Word document is moved from the Current tab to the All tab in the compiler dashboard. The compiler will download the master Word document file and for one final time checks the formatting looks good. This master Word document will be sent for converting into digital EPUB format and uploaded into the online library that will be accessed by the blind and print-disabled people across the globe. Following is the summary of the workflow to get a better understanding of the entire process. Thank you.